Hello guys, and Daniel, and welcome to the channel. Today we are discussing the risks of public Wi-Fi. Hope you will enjoy. As a business person, public Wi-Fi is a beneficial factor to the business. First, survey shows that 53% of people are comfortable sitting alone on premises if Wi-Fi is available. We are living in the age of smartphones, and just like quality and price that help differentiate businesses, technology is the latest approach nowadays. This is why most businesses have Wi-Fi installed to attract more clients. Now let's talk about the risks. 1. Data is public and is read by everyone connected to the network. 2. Public Wi-Fi can launch man-in-the-middle attacks if manipulated. 3. Hackers can create a rogue hotspot that aims at stealing your data. But do you know there are various ways you can evade the risks? This is how you can stay safe on public Wi-Fi. Disable file sharing. Visit websites using HTTPS. Use VPNs, i.e. virtual private network. Log out your accounts when done. Let's ensure our data is safe. If this information was helpful, feel free to leave thumbs up and comment. Also remember to subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you.